Hi, Pam here from Creative Homescaping. Today I'm going to show you how we remodeled our linen cabinet areas, as well as how we installed some hardwood flooring, Brazilian cherry to be exact, in our upstairs hallway. So stay tuned.
Here's a look at the hallway outside of our bonus room. You can see the carpeting is still on the floor, and you can also see, as I zoom in, the outline of where the old cabinets used to be on the walls. And here's a look at where we pulled out the cabinets outside of our daughter's bathroom. In this photo, you can see that we have now ripped up the carpeting and we're down to the bare subfloor. Before the hardwood can be installed, we needed to put down a layer of tar paper. After the tar paper was installed, we could begin laying the planks of the Brazilian cherry. We needed to start at the top of the stairs so that the wood would fit together nicely and tightly with the tread at the very top of the stairs. And here's a photo of when we are almost done installing the hardwood. We used an air compressor nailer we rented from Home Depot. Here's a look at the finished floor before we started to install the cabinetry. The cabinets we used were kitchen cabinets from IKEA. However, we had to cut them down depth-wise because they wouldn't fit in our space otherwise. At the longest row of cabinets, the old cabinets used to have a counter that went all the way across. But in our new cabinets, we installed floor-to-ceiling cabinets on the side with a shorter cabinet in the middle. Here's an up-close view of how my husband created a support for the upper cabinet that's in the middle of the row of cabinetry so that it could be held in place while he was attaching it. And here's a look at that same area with the cabinets completed before the counter was installed. These are the cabinets outside our guest bathroom. We also did this area even though I didn't show any of the in-process pictures of that. Here are the finished cabinets outside my daughter's bathroom. Here's a look at the finished flooring with all of the new baseboards installed. And lastly, a look at the finished long run of cabinets with the granite counter installed. We had this piece of granite left over from when we remodeled our kitchen, and my husband cut it down to fit in the opening, as well as grinding down the edge to round it over.
Thanks for tuning in today. I hope you enjoyed this look back at a project we've done in the past. If you like these sorts of projects, please leave me a comment down below. We are planning on doing some hardwood flooring installation this summer, hopefully, fingers crossed, in our living room. So if you would like to see that, please let me know by leaving me a comment down below. And if you're new to my channel, I hope you'll consider subscribing by clicking on the link down below, the subscribe button, and also hitting the notification bell if you would like to be notified every time I post a new video. I post videos at least Tuesdays and Thursdays of every week, and the topic is how to creatively decorate and manage your home. Thanks again for tuning in today, and I look forward to seeing you next time. Bye-bye.